know why you don't fear? It's because when you know him, you know God ain't going to let you be in something by yourself. God's not going to let you die in this situation. God didn't bring you all this difference, this distance to leave you here. You know him. You know he's got a plan. When you're walking through the fire, you know he got a plan for you. When you've lost your job, God got a plan for me. When your husband won't stay, your wife won't stay, God got a plan for me. When there's death that comes at your door or around your neighborhood, you know God's got a plan. This didn't catch him by surprise. He's still in control. You got to know him so that no matter what you get hit with, you still gonna stand. But it's a personal thing. And it's not something unique that only Bishop can get. It ain't about me. It's about your relationship. And God is extending his hand to every one of you all in this room. Say, come to know me. I am God. And I reach out to you.